Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear children. Navneet and Vibha. Tejas, Swatika, Akshaya, Dinesh.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning, everyone. Harshita, Nitish Yadav.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Reshma. Good morning.
All are in another class.
Yes. What are you saying?
All are in another class.
All are in
Ankush sir class.
Ankush sir class. Okay, so they will come one by one. They will join one by one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Dinesh present.
Dinesh, I have marked present. I will tell you the name, okay? You start writing your name. Ambika, I have marked. Shweta is present. Okay. Navneet, Vibha, mark. Good morning. Good morning. So I am just saying.
Ma'am.
Good morning. I am just telling you the names. Good morning, which I have marked present. Okay, just tell me if you are. Good morning. Kindly mute yourself as you join. Mute yourself as you join. Fifth ANB, mute yourself as you join. Shweta is present. Siddharth is present. Yes.
I always
From
join when I was mute only. I
yes.
always join and mute.
Yeah, very good, Tejas. Always you have to join and mute. So first, from fifth A, Akshaya is present. Praharshita is present, Reshma is present, Vibha is present, Navneet is present, and then Tejas is present. Okay.
मैम आई मीन जब भी से मैं ज्वाइन कर लेता हूँ मैं आ जाता हूँ ज्वाइन करने से पहले
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so mute yourself and just listen your names. From fifth B till now, Kirtana, Rakshita, Sanvi, Swatika, Shweta, Arushi, DP Charan, Dinesh, Nitish, Siddharth, Nayak, Nivas, and Ambika. Ambika. Sunishka. Sunishka has joined now. 19 only? Okay, they are coming.
मैम
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
मैम सब लोग को मैसेज भेजिए.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes.
Morning, ma'am.
Prashita, Sanvi, Arushi, marked yes. Arka Ranjita. Who's Arka Ranjita? Fiona present. Okay, Shant has come. I have marked attendance. Okay. So shall I am taking the name once again. Those who are present. Okay. If anyone is left, they can tell me. Good morning. G Shrenik. Uddeshri, yes, I have marked. So Shweta is present, Navneet and Vibha are present, B Shrenika is present, DP Charan is present, Siddharth is present. Kaveri, Ishant, Karunya, Udeshri, Nivas. I am fine. Arushi, how are you all? Nitish is present. Nayak is present. Reshma, Sujita, Sanvi, Kirtana, Tejas, G. Shrinika, Kasturi. Shishta is joined now. Okay. Swatika, then Rakshita, Fiona, Dinesh, Sunishka, Praharshita, Arushi, Ambika, and Vishishta. So if anyone is left, they can tell their names. Kindly mute yourself, okay? So for today, we have our English class.
Ma'am?
Okay, yesterday. Okay, this is Sai Sampath. Sai Sampath has joined. Sai Sampath Yadav. Manthan Ravi Akshara. Good morning. Yes. If you have any
Good
doubt.
morning.
Good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning.
हिमांशी मैम
Yes Tejas.
एक डाउट पूछनी है
हाँ पूछो. Yes.
ऐसे ऐसे
Good morning, ma'am.
Wait, kindly mute. Let him ask. Okay, what is your doubt? Tejas, what is your doubt?
आपने क्वेश्चन ही क्यों दिए जिनके ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जैसे कि किसी का बाल कितने सेंटीमीटर हो हमारा तो दिखता ही नहीं है
क्या सेंटीमीटर हो?
अरे हमें कुछ भी लिखना पड़ा सेंटीमीटर बालों का
Oh, why you have to measure, na? You have to measure and then you have to write. You can write the approximately you can write the centimeter, okay? Just by estimation, how many centimeters you would have? Tell me.
Good morning.
Tejas, good morning.
My father told I have 1 centimeter
1 centimeter. So your father told you, na? So by estimation only we write. Otherwise you can measure you can take one hair and then you can measure.
but my mother said this idea is not gonna work
You can just hold it and then just roughly you can write. You don't have to write exact measurement. Just roughly you have to write. Okay. It was just for you to do how to carry out such activities. Okay. To make you more challenging.
मुझे लगा कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप लोग दे दोगे
No, nothing. This is not like this. We don't give question like this. The questions have something behind them. There is a reason that we give you such questions. Okay. So, 32 only. 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12,
Ma'am, DP
19, 20, 21.
DP Charan.
32. Yes.
Ma'am, DP Charan. Ma'am, I am.
DP mark. Jazel I have marked. Okay. Once again, listen your names. Those who are
Ma'am, class कब start होगा ma'am?
class will be starting after 2 minutes. Let the others join. Then we will start after 2 minutes at 11. Okay. So listen your names. Kindly listen your names first. Those who are present. If anyone is left, tell me side by side. Okay. So first Akshara, Akshaya, Praharshita, Reshma, G. Shrinika, Sujita, Vibha, Fiona, B. Shrinika, Vishishta, Ishant, Navneet, Tejas. Okay, these are from 5th A. Now from 5th B, Jazel, Kaveri, Manisha is not there. Jazel, Kaveri, Kirtana, and after Rakshita is present, Sanvi is present, Sunishka, Swatika, Shweta, Udeshri, Arushi, Ambika. Then Abdul has joined right now. Abdullah Aman is not there. DP Charan, Dinesh, Nitish, Sai Sampath Yadav, Siddharth, Nayak,
Choru.
Yuva, Nivas. All these are from 5th B. Okay. Rushda has joined now. Rushda. Trinesh has joined right now. Okay. So all are coming one by one. Okay. 34. We will be waiting 1 to 2 minutes more and then we will start. Okay, yesterday let me start with the discussion and then I will show you something. So yesterday we were talking about food. Please mute yourself. I will take the name that student will only answer. Okay?
Ma'am, Akshara is present, ma'am.
Akshara, I have marked your attendance. Akshara marked.
Ma'am, class start karo.
Okay. So don't say this. We know our time. Okay. So first of all, my question is: yesterday we have done what we have done about? We have done about food. What is food? Balanced diet. We have learned about balanced diet. Okay. What is balanced diet? You have seen a balanced diet chart there. Yes. So next, next what we have done, food of different regions. Okay, I gave you homework to write the food of different states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. So I have given you many states.
Finish that.
29. I have given you 29 states for Swatika. Don't present. Swatika, don't present. So I have given you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Fiona, I did my homework and also send it you.
Yes, Fiona. Yes, Fiona has sent me that answers yesterday only, and they were very good. Very good, Fiona.
Ma'am, I sent my homework today.
Who is saying this? You can send your homework as you complete your homework. Please send it to me. Okay. Please send your homework side by side. When you complete the homework, send to me on my number. Okay. Next, now we will move forward to our next. I have given you one question there. Arushi, don't present. One next question I have given you. Ask your parents and grandparents. Yes. Okay, very good. Jaisal, you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, next homework, next question I gave you to ask your parents and grandparents what do they have when they in their childhood. What do they used to eat when they were of your age? Okay, so you can ask. You would have asked your parents and grandparents. So I would ask one by one. Okay. So you will tell me what have you asked from your parents. Okay. We will discuss with this part first. Okay. First, from 5th A, who will tell me? Write your name in the chat box, those who have asked honestly. Write your name in the chat box, those who have asked your parents and grandparents about this. Fiona. Okay, Fiona, tell me. Let's start with you. What kind of food your parents used to have?
My grandparents only, ma'am. So I need to tell about my grandparents.
Okay, sorry.
About my grandparents, ma'am, I asked them.
Okay, very good. So, what did they answer?
There was a special sweet. That time it was so popular, so I asked my grandfather what do you eat when you were little.
The one sweet that was very popular there that time. Yes, very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
even can I say?
Yes, one by one. Okay. Next is Jaisal. Very nice, Fiona. Very good work. Keep it up. Okay. Next is Jaisal. What have you asked?
My grandmother has ate bun milk,
Yes.
Amul powder with salt biscuits.
Salt biscuits at that time when they were small. When they were small. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Very
27.
nice. Next we will ask Sujita. Fifth A is Sujita. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sujita, what have you asked from your parents and grandparents? What do they used to have?
And in their childhood, they used to eat brown rice and they used to drink fresh milk,
Milk,
buttermilk. They
buttermilk.
used to take more cereals, fruits, and vegetables.
Very good. Very pulses and cereals. Very nice. When your parents were of your age, they were small. They used to eat very fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and your milk. Milk at that time was very much fresh. Okay, it was not adulterated like ours, but now at that time they used to have lot of butter, lot of milk, and they used to do lot of physical activities. Very good. Next is Swatika. Swatika, can you hear me? Swatika. Good morning, Swatika. Good morning. Who is saying good morning? Swatika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, what have you asked from your parents? What do they used to have?
Milk, salt, biscuit,
Buttermilk, milk, salt biscuits. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So is there any, good morning, is there anyone who has inquire about a traditional dish? Any traditional dish which we don't have now?
Mommy.
Yes. Yes, Fiona has asked, this was a traditional dish. Yeah, which Fiona gave, that was the traditional dish. Yes?
Ma'am,
Sunishka. Okay. Next, I will ask Rushida. Rushida, can you hear me? Rushida.
Ma'am.
Wait, one by one. Who is not present? Okay. Let me ask Rushida. First, I will. Rushida, can you hear me? Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. I'll ask one by one. Dal, roti, milk, pulses, cereals. Okay, very good. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Navneet is saying, no ma'am, I didn't ask. Navneet, so for today your homework is you have to ask your parents and grandparents about this. Okay. Those who haven't asked, for them it is the homework to ask what kind of food they used to have in their childhood. Okay. Next, Trinesh. Trinesh, can you hear me? Okay, tell me what kind of food your parents used to have in their childhood.
Vegetables, spices, and who has like milk.
Very good. Milk, spices, okay. Fruit, fresh vegetables. Okay. Next, after wait for B Shrinika, do you want to answer? B Shrinika. B Shrinika. B Shrinika, you want to answer? Can you? Okay. Arushi, after this Arushi. Swatika, stop presenting. B Arushi, tell me what kind of
My grandmother ate rice, jowar roti.
Jowar, very nice. Jowar roti. Who is answering this? Arushi. Rice.
Ma'am, curd rice with dal ma'am.
Curd rice with, very nice, very good. So, traditional dish, curd rice, and she has said, Arushi, you were saying?
Ma'am.
Wait, one by one.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is saying, excuse me?
They ate jawar and curd, ma'am.
Jawar roti and curd, very nice, very nice. Good, very good. I am happy that lot of students have done their homework. Very nice. So, next I would be asking Tejas. Tejas?
And they
Bhavna, stop presenting. Bhavna. presenting? Bhavna, Bhavna, stop presenting. So tell me, next is Tejas. Tejas,
Ma'am, my mother ate and
And my both of
ma'am.
my father used to go in the farm
hmm.
and eat fresh rice, milk,
Fresh rice, milk, fruits, vegetable. Okay, at that time, fresh,
and
Ma'am.
vegetables,
leafy and green vegetables. Okay, very nice. Next is Sunishka. Sunishka, Sunishka. One by one, wait, one, please wait for your chance. I'll give chance to everyone. One by one. Sunishka,
Ma'am?
can you hear me? Sunishka.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about yours. What have you asked from your parents?
Ma'am, my grandmother should eat. She was in Bangalore, ma'am. That's why she should eat
Hmm.
ragi bal and some cargo like that.
I didn't get you. Can you pronounce it again? What is the name of the dish?
Ragi bal.
Rakhi. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I will tell.
Very nice.
Will give strength to our body, ma'am.
Strength. Very nice. Very good. Good inquiry. Very nice. It will give you strength. Okay. Bhavna, please stop presenting. Bhavna. Ji Bhavna. Every day you click on that option. Please don't touch your mobile phones. Bhavna, stop presenting. Bhavna, stop presenting. Next is Praharshita. Praharshita.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, what have you asked from your parents and grandparents?
I asked my grandpa, ma'am. He said at the breakfast he ate tirwani rice, which is a special kind of rice.
Hmm.
It is also called fermented rice.
Fermented rice.
So
Yes.
people would store rice in pots and add some lemon
Hmm.
and salt and add some water
Okay. Very
and
nice.
some buttermilk also.
Very nice. Good. Very good.
At lunch they would eat curry and dal and
Ma'am,
some kind of pickle and rice.
Very good.
At dinner time they would eat pickle, rice and buttermilk.
Very nice. So most of you have asked your parents like what they do eat. Okay. Next, Shweta is saying my grandmother is in village and we are in the city. So no problem. You can ask anytime. Whenever you get the chance, you ask them.
Ma'am, I will tell, ma'am.
Who is saying I will tell? Those who have not. Arushi. Okay. Brunda. Okay. Arushi is telling and then Brunda will tell. Arushi, tell me.
Ma'am, after Brinda, I will say, ma'am.
Okay. First, good morning. Good morning. So tell me, Arushi. Arushi, can you hear me, Arushi?
Ma'am, my mother used to eat millet.
Millet. What millets? Okay, very nice. What else? What? Jowar roti and curd. You told jowar roti and cereals. Very nice. Good. Very good. Keep it up. Next, after this, okay. Next, after Arushi, I asked my grandpa. They answer me when they are jaggery and puri. Okay. Akshaya is saying jaggery and puri. Very nice. Next is Brunda. Brunda, can you hear me? Brunda.
Yes, ma'am.
Brunda.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer what have you asked from your parents?
I asked fish and brown rice.
Fish and rice. Fish and rice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Fish and rice. Okay, next from fifth.
And roti.
Roti. Roti. Who is saying excuse me? Yes. Who is saying excuse me?
Mama, Nishan.
Sorry?
Nishan, ma'am.
Okay, Ishant, tell me. You want to answer?
No, ma'am. मैम एक बार आप
ग्रुप में सेंड करो मैम।
क्या सेंड करूं? What?
ये वीडियो।
Okay, video. Okay, I have already sent this video in the group. Check the group. Yesterday video I have already sent you. So now Sanvi wants to answer. Sanvi, can you hear me? Okay, tell me what. If you have fifth A and B, I have sent. Bhavna, stop presenting. Every time you start presenting, why do you use that option?
Ma'am, no only presenting now. Now also.
So now next we will move forward to our next. Very good. First of all, very good all of you. Those who have asked. Wait. First of all, now listen to my instructions. On my 5 count, there are no 10 minutes to end the class. No 10 minutes. We have lot of time now. I will finish at it is 11:40. Time is 11:40. Now is 11:15. So don't see the time again and again. So now listen to my instructions. Kindly mute yourself. 5, 4. Those who are keeping unmute, I will mute you. Okay. So I will now show you one picture that is a riddle. You would have heard about riddles. पहेली हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं पहेली. Shweta is saying my father used to eat sweet potatoes and rice. Very good, very nice. Rest those who have not asked your parents, ask them today and tell me in the next class. Okay, what kind of food they used to have. Okay, so next is first now please mute who is saying mute yourself and I will show you one picture that is a riddle. Okay, you have to solve that riddle that is based on fruits. Okay, so you have to. Sorry,
What is riddle?
रिडल पहेली. आपसे कुछ पूछा जाता है कि ये क्या होगा. पहेली हिंदी में पहेली पढ़ते हो ना. So I will show you one riddle page. There are riddles on fruits. So you have to take out your English notebook. Okay, one pen or pencil, whatever you want to, and in your English notebook at the back side you will write the answers of the riddles, and then I will ask one by one what have you written. Okay, got it? Okay, so I am presenting now. Nobody will present in between. Fifth A and B. You have to write. I told you to take out your English notebook and write it at the back of English notebook. Am I clear now? English notebook and at the back of English. No need to ask this again. Take out your English notebooks. Write it at the back of English notebook. Okay, at the back of English notebook. Sorry. Not audible. What are you saying? You're not audible. Please now mute yourself and please take out your English notebooks, and I am showing you the picture, and please mute yourself. You don't have to say anything in this. You have to just see the picture and you have to write the answer. Then I will ask you. G Shrinika, don't unmute. I am muting you and then you are unmuting. Don't unmute, G Shrinika.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Swatika, mute yourself. No, this is a problem every time. Every session we have to say mute and mute. So I am showing you. Ruchika is saying they eat fresh vegetables. Very good, Ruchika. Fresh vegetables, ragi, roti and ghee. Very nice answer. My mother eat honey and bread for breakfast. Shweta, very nice. Good for. I am very happy that you all have asked your parents. Okay, now I am showing you the riddle page. Kindly see that, read it, and then you have to solve it, and then you have to tell me the answers. Okay, I am presenting my screen. Nobody will present in between. It will stop the presentation. Nobody will stop in between. Okay, don't present anything in between. Milk with turmeric. Very nice, Jaisal. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So don't unmute. Don't unmute. Don't unmute. Don't unmute. Just say with your actions. I can see you. Okay. Now I will show you one riddle page. Wait a minute. Let me show you. So oats and honey. Okay. So fruits riddle. Can you see this? Can you see the page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not coming down. Wait. Now can you see the page there? Okay. So I am zooming it for you. Can you? Fifth A and B. Can you see the page? This riddle page. Okay. So first, kindly read. Who has? Yes. Who is saying? Who is saying? Fifth A and B.
My video is visible, ma'am.
Which video?
My webcam.
Please don't present if you want. Please don't present anything in between. You have to see this. What happened? Fifth A and B, there is a picture in front of you. There are some riddles. You have to answer that riddles.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you? Now I am clear to you. Sorry. Please don't talk in.
Zoom the riddle page.
Sorry.
Big page.
If you have doubt, fifth A and B. If you have doubt, write in chat box. If you have doubt, write in chat. And please write your answers in the notebook. Don't tell the answers. Ishant, please don't unmute yourself. Please mute.
మ్యామ్ కరెక్టే కానీ ఇక్కడ గ్రీన్ యాపిల్స్ ఇవంతా ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇవి రాయాలి
Don't talk in between. Who is talking? Who is talking? Kindly write yourself. Nitish, don't unmute. Nivas, don't unmute.
मैम अभी क्या करना मैम आप जितना भी लिख सकते हैं
जितना भी नहीं, पहले सुनो मेरी बात। जो पहले मेरी बात सुनो और तुम मत बोलो। Fifth A and B, don't speak in between. The problem is you don't listen. Don't unmute. Don't unmute. Who is unmuting? Divas, how many times should I say to you? Don't unmute. Who is speaking now? I have to check one by one who is not muting. This is a very big problem with you. Every time I will say you to mute and mute and mute. Don't unmute. Until and unless I say you, don't unmute. Now see, there is one picture in front of you. These are some riddles. You have to write answers to these riddles. First one is, see here. First one is, I am yellow. This part. We have to write, yes, we have to write answers to this.
मैम आप बड़ा करो ना मैम
I am making it big. Wait. Wait, I'll make it big for you. I will make it big for you. Wait a minute. But you don't speak in between. Don't speak in between. fifth A and B. Now can you see this? Can you see this? Fifth A and B. Okay, see here. Now there are some riddles. Like first one is I am yellow. I am yellow, I am long, I grow in trees, monkey eat them. What can be the answer to this?
Banana.
Don't answer now. Don't answer now. Just read it and write the answer. Okay. First one is this, and then after 5 minutes we will discuss. Okay, one by one you will tell me. Just kindly read and write the answers. Okay.
Ma'am, you have to write it in notebook.
After you, I will listen fifth A and B. I will send this picture in the WhatsApp group. Then you write it in your notebook. Okay?
Ma'am, in the last page, na?
अभी के लिए for now write it in the last page for now. Okay? After this, write it fairly in the English notebook. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
For now, just for discussion.
We should write answers.
Sorry.
Just we should write answers.
You should just read and write the answer. I am giving you number here. This is first number. This is second number. This one is third. This is fourth. Write 1, 2, 3, 4 and write the answer. This is fifth number. This is sixth number. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. 10 riddles are there. So kindly solve these 10 riddles. Okay. And after 5, you have 5. You can take your time. Sorry.
Ma'am, monkey seed.
Completed?
Ma'am, monkey seed.
Monkey?
Monkey seed. Ma'am, monkey will eat, he was telling.
Okay, monkey will eat. Okay. So I am saying you listen. 50 and B, kindly write answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. Okay. After writing answers, I will discuss. Who is speaking?
Back. Sindra. Back.
Is it visible now?
Ma'am, somebody is presenting, ma'am.
Who is presenting? Only me. I am only. Who is presenting? Nobody is presenting. Nobody is presenting. Kindly see this and write the answer to these riddles. Okay.
Presenting to
Don't present in between. It will stop the presentation. Don't answer Shweta. Don't answer here. Kindly just see and write your answers.
presenting to everyone. Mute yourself, ma'am.
You have 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will discuss. Okay? Ishant, stop talking. Ishant, stop talking. Just write the after 5 minutes we will discuss. Okay. First one is I am yellow, I am long, I grow in trees, monkey eat them. Just write the answer. Don't answer it now. Okay. Second is I am green and red, I am round, I am very juicy. You have to cut me open. Okay. Third one is I am small and red, I grow in trees, I can be sweet and sour, my seed is inside. I am green and small, but I can be red as well. I grow in bunches, I am sweet.
Ma'am, mine is over, ma'am.
Those who have done, please, those who have done, keep your answers with you And don't tell the answers. Who is telling right these answers? Please mute. Your answers are audible. Don't tell others. I will ask one by one. Hello? Hello. Yes sir. ज्वाइन हो गया शायद स्टीफन ज्वाइन हो गया हेलो ओके
AIWI.
Stephen has joined the class. Stephen. Okay, fifth A and B. After 2 to 3 minutes, we will discuss it. Okay, and don't tell your answers to others. Just kindly write on a page at the back of the notebook, and then we will discuss.
मैम एक बार जयंद्रा को बुलाओ
Yes, Jayendra.
मैम रूपा इज प्रेजेंटिंग मैम रूपा
Who is presenting?
प्रेजेंट इज प्रेजेंटिंग मैम प्लीज टेल मी
Swatika, don't present. I told you not to click the present option. Why are you presenting? Every time this is the problem with you.
व्हाट हैपेंड मैम
Don't present now. See, rest of you see this and answer.
Over.
Kindly don't speak in between. Who is presenting again? Tell me who is presenting now. Ishant. Now Ishant. Why do you do this? I don't understand. In every session, I have to repeat this? Don't do this. Don't do like this. It will stop it, and then I have to again present. Don't touch your present option. Just look it here and answer. Shall we discuss now? Do you want?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, I am giving you 2 minutes more, and then after 2 minutes we will discuss. Who is speaking like this? Okay, first one. Nobody will answer in group. First of all, listen the instructions. Nobody will answer in chat box, neither in group. I will take the name, then only you will answer. Don't answer in group. Don't answer in chat box. If we will have doubt, then we will use the chat box option. Nobody will write any answer in the chat box. Okay.
Your screen is not visible.
Okay, I'm showing you again. Is it visible now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't use the chat box option to write the answers, okay? So, okay, now let's discuss. First one will be answered by I am telling the name. Nobody will answer, okay? I will take the name that only will answer. Okay, first one is by first one. All of you have answered first only. So just for revising, first one will be answered by okay Deepa. Deepa will answer first one. Fifth B Deepa. Deepa, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Deepa, so first one answer आपको देना है, okay? You will answer the first one. I am yellow, I am long, I grow in trees. Monkey eat this one. Monkey eat them. What can be the answer of first one?
Banana, ma'am.
Banana. Very good. So everyone has written banana.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Second one is okay. Now second one I am taking the name. Nobody will unmute. That person will unmute. Second answer will be given by Hashvita. Stay Hashvita. Hashvita, can you hear me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Don't speak in between. Hashvita,
Excuse me, ma'am.
who is saying ma'am here?
Ishan.
Ishant, yes. Say, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. एक बार आप आंसर नो क्वेश्चन
बोलूं?
एक बार आप
Shall I read them?
मैम क्वेश्चन से एक बार ग्रुप में भिजाओ मैम. ओके.
कौन से क्वेश्चंस, ये वाले या पिछले वाले?
हाँ ये वाले मैम.
हाँ, I will send you this picture in the group after the class. Okay, then you will write it in. Listen to me. Wait. Fifth A and B. I will send you this picture in the group, and then you will write answers there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I am okay. Second one. Hashvita is there. Second, Hashvita.
मैम.
हाँ, बोलो ईशान.
मैम एक बार आप क्वेश्चन से ग्रुप में सेंड कर रहे हैं उससे आंसर देते हैं मैम. आंसर
ग्रुप में आंसर नहीं देंगे ना, अभी आंसर डिस्कस करके आप ग्रुप में भी आंसर दे देना. ओके ओके.
पर्सनली मैम.
हाँ, personally you can send. Yes, personally I will send this picture in group. You will send your answers personally to me. Okay. Okay. Second one will answer by Hashvita. Hashvita, answer the second one. I am green and red.
पूरा क्वेश्चन सेंड करो मैम ग्रुप में.
I am round. I am apple.
मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct? Apple.
Yes, ma'am. No,
How many of you are saying apple? Second, no. The second answer is watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yes. Second answer is watermelon. Third, I am small and red. I grow in trees. I can be sweet and sour. My seed is inside. Fifth B. No, ma'am. Fifth B. This will be Nitish, can you hear me? Nitish. Don't. If you will say ma'am, I will not take your name. Just mute yourself. Nitish, can you hear me? Nitish.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Nitish, answer the third one. What is the third answer?
Cherry, ma'am.
Cherry, very good. Third answer is
वो जाता मुझको नहीं आता मैम.
cherry. Okay, fourth answer will be given by Ishant. Fifth A, Ishant. I am green and small, but I can be red as well.
Akshara, ma'am.
Okay, next. I grow in bunches. I am sweet. Tell me this answer. Fourth one. Ishant.
मैम किसको भी लाइट बोला मैम
I am green and small, but I can be red as well. Sorry? Grapes. Yes, answer is grapes. Very good. Grapes. Fifth. Now you have to answer the fifth one. Hey, don't unmute. I am brown and I am brown. I will stop. 5, 4. Nobody will answer like this. Fifth A and B. Nobody will answer like this. Fifth A and B. Those who will keep mute, that person, that child will answer. Those who will mute. No, nobody will answer. Fifth A and B. Next time I will not give you such type of work. You are not listening to me.
What is presenting everyone?
Okay, next answer will be given by next answer.
Ma'am, time is over.
Wait, we will discuss this and then I will close the session. Wait for 5 minutes. Next answer will be given by Abdullah. Abdullah, fifth B. Can you hear me? Abdullah. Abdullah, answer this. I am brown outside. I am green inside. I have many seeds. My skin is kiwi. Kiwi. Very good. Very good. Kiwi. Next, sixth answer. Sixth. No, don't take your name. Don't take your name. Don't take.
मैम आपका स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है मैम
Wait, I am resuming. If you will present in between.
हो गया मैम
Fifth A and B, I will not take your name unless and until you will mute yourself. I will only take the name of mute students. If you will unmute, I will not take your name. 3, 2, 1. I will not take the name of unmute students. If you will mute, then only I will take your name. First of all, mute yourself.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Okay, now sixth one. I am yellow. This will be answered by fifth A. Vibha. Vibha is here. Vibha. Vibha, can you hear me? Vibha. Vibha, can you hear me? Fifth A, Vibha. Just say yes.
मैम लेमन
I am yellow. I am not sweet. Yes, lemon. Sixth one is lemon. Lemon. Very good. Seventh. You can eat me and you can drink me. I am juicy. I am orange. So you can get the answer from here only. This is orange. Okay. Next is eighth one. Who will answer eight? Wait. Eighth one. No. Sixth answer will be given by Dinesh. Dinesh, eighth answer. I am green. Dinesh, can you hear me? Dinesh, okay. I am green. I look like a funny apple. I am sweet. I grow on trees. Pear. Very good. Pear. Okay. Ninth. Fifth A. From fifth A, this answer will be given by next answer. Vishishta. Vishishta is here. Vishishta. Vishishta. Sorry. I am red. Yes, I am red and sweet. I grow on the ground. I am good with cream. My seeds are on the outside. So this is strawberry. Last one. No. Don't take your name. I will not take your name. Those who are seeing. Next will be given by Shweta. Apple. Very good. I am green. I grow on trees. I have smooth skin. I can make a pie. That is apple. Very good. So now this is for your class. Now listen your homework. Don't leave without listening your homework. Okay. Your homework is you have to do this picture in your notebooks. I will send this picture, okay, in the group, in the WhatsApp group. I will send you this riddle picture, okay. Then you have to write the question. Listen what you have to do. Write the question, write the answer, and draw the picture of that fruit. For example, the first answer is banana. So write the question, then write the answer, and then draw the picture of banana. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So now for this class is over. You can leave one by one. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Others can leave. Bye. 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 Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. You can leave the class.
Thank you, dinner, sir.
Sorry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Please, I will send you this and complete your homework.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, Rishada, ma'am.
Sorry. क्या कह रहे हो?
Ma'am,
इश-
thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. You can leave one by one. Okay.
Bye, Nitish, sir.
Leave one by one. If you have doubt, you can. Swatika, you have doubt?
Yes, sir, Swatika, ma'am.
Those who have doubts, they will stay here. Others will leave.
Go.